Hey y'all, JOBrien here, your favorite golfing realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. Come with me while we discover the timeless beauty of one of the best neighborhoods in Charleston, south of Broad.
Welcome to the enchanting South of Broad neighborhood in Charleston, South Carolina, where history comes alive and beauty abounds at every turn. Nestled between the Ashley and Cooper rivers, this iconic district boasts a rich tapestry of stories woven into its cobblestone streets and elegant antebellum homes. South of Broad is a living testament to Charleston's storied past. Stroll through tree-lined streets where historic mansions stand proudly, each one telling a unique tale of the city's heritage. From the grand architecture of Rainbow Row to the breathtaking beauty of the Battery, where the gentle breeze carries echoes of a bygone era, history enthusiasts are transported to another time. Within the heart of South of Broad lies the picturesque White Point Gardens, a place of serenity and breathtaking views. This verdant oasis beckons with its majestic live oaks, peaceful pathways, and historic Civil War era cannons. Locals and visitors alike gather to bask in the tranquility, making it a cherished spot to savor the beauty of Charleston's landscape. Beyond its historical allure, South of Broad has some of the tastiest menus on this side of town. Immerse yourself in Charleston's culinary scene with a plethora of top-notch restaurants. From charming cafes offering delectable low-country fare to upscale eateries boasting inventive dishes, every culinary adventure promises to be a delight for the senses. In South of Broad, the past and present intertwine seamlessly, offering a glimpse into the soul of Charleston. It is a place where residents treasure the cherished history and visitors are captivated by the timeless charm. Come and experience the magic of this historic gem, where every moment feels like a step back in time and a step into a world of enduring beauty. Discover the allure of South of Broad and let its captivating charm become a part of your story.
Well, y'all, if you want to learn more about South of Broad in Charleston, South Carolina, don't be shy. Get my email and phone number from the comments and send me a message. Be sure to like and follow for more great tips about Charleston, South Carolina.